Hey everybody, Polster2 again, out because it's such a nice day. I'm going to be working on the K5 a little bit. I'm going to see if I can't get these wheel spacers on here, but I also wanted to show you that the it looks like my fix, whatever you want to call it, adjustment. We'll call it an adjustment. That it worked in, hey, no more drips, no more runs, no more errors. So that's good. Anyways, so I'm going to get set up and start working on these wheel spacers and show you what I'm doing. Got these spacers in. These are going to go in behind the wheel. We're going to try them and see how they're going to go. What the big deal here is that right there's a minimal amount of space between the tie rod end and the wheel. So we just want to give it a little bit more space on both sides. This side is much worse, actually. You can see right there, it is so close. Anyways, thinking that extra 1/4 inch spacing outwards will give us the clearance that we need, and we'll be good to go. So I will show you how those goes on in just a second. So the way these works, you just have the spacer and they just go right on there, and they push the wheel out a 1/4 inch this way, and that'll push the wheel away from the steering components by about the same amount. So I'm just gonna put that on there. Actually, I think while I'm at it, I'm gonna get a little bit masochistic on myself and see if I can't pull this steering arm off too and do this at the same time. So I'm gonna work on that and we'll see how it goes. All I can say is, wow, this thing decided to be nice to me today, and gave up the ghost real quick. The old one, here's the old one, and you can see, how it sits. And the new one, it has quite a bit of drop on it and should make that a drag link, whatever it's called, where those tie rod ends are located, should make all of that a lot more level to the ground, which is going to help stop or help prevent what's that called? Bump steer. That's what it's called. Anyways, the more level that you have it, the less bump steer that you're going to encounter. At least that's the theory. So anyways, I'm going to get this new one put on there. They are kind of keyed, as you can see. It's got those ridges in it, and that's just to keep it tight. Anyways, use the old bolt. I'll show you what it looks like when I get it up in there. All right, it all went back together really easily. I am quite surprised. I do need to get a new cotter pin. I think that's in the drawer in there. I'll find one. Put it in there, but you can see how much more level that is, and it should help prevent the bump steer somewhat, and we'll go from there. Right, pulled out my handy dandy cotter pin collection, and there we go. New one's attached. It's good to go. All right, so I got that spacer in there, and as you can see, at least on this side, there's a lot more space in there. I think I could fit my finger up in there, whereas before I doubt I could even do that. So anyways, that's what it looks like. I will show you the other side when I get that done, and we'll get this party started. Well, finished. Let's party. All right, I got the 4 spacers on. I got that drop arm onto the thing. Things are coming together for this. I just, when I find time, I got to make it work. So that's what we got for today, and I'll keep working this thing, and we'll make it into a real truck again. K5's forever, right? Anyways, all right. You all have a great weekend, and I will be sure to see you in the future. Till we meet again, be well.